Bitcoin Ether flat as PayPal USD report fails to ignite market. Blockchain.com scores payment license from Singapore Central Bank. Odisha EOW exposes 1,000 crore pan-India crypto scam. Elon Musk-backed brain hacking firm Neuralink raises $280 million. Circle CEO says just 30% of USDC adoption occurs in US. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets traded mixed on Tuesday as market participants focused on key inflation data from the US due later in the week, which will provide further insights on the future trends. Bitcoin traded above $29,000 levels, while Ethereum hovered around $1,850 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.4% at 38,470 points. In the meantime, investors kept an eye on the upcoming US consumer price index data and anticipate a 0.2% monthly increase and a 3.3% annual growth. According to blockchain analytics firm Glassnode, over 13.3 million bitcoins worth $388.7 billion have been dormant on-chain for at least a year, with the total equaling to 68.54% of the circulating supply. However, the rising number indicates a reduction in the amount of supply in the market, which could lead to a significant price increase if demand rises. Interestingly, Justin Sun has transferred nearly $200 million Tether from his decentralized lending platform, JustLend, to the hobby cryptocurrency exchange. The move comes amid an ongoing investigation into JustLend's financial operations. Meanwhile, PayPal has launched its own cryptocurrency stablecoin, PayPal USD, to expand its crypto services and provide customers with more options. The stablecoin, issued by Paxos Trust Company, is backed by US dollar deposits, short-term treasury bonds, and similar cash equivalents. It is refundable at a 1:1 rate against US dollars and is issued by the Paxos Trust Company. Moving on, Solana-based decentralized exchange Cypher lost close to $1 million in crypto due to an exploit or security incident. On the other hand, Aptos blockchain's native token APT has slid ahead of this week's unlock of more than 2% of the circulating supply. Data from Token Unlocks shows that more than 4.5 million APT tokens worth about $30 million will be unlocked on Friday. Other cryptos have maintained their downward spiral, led by popular meme coin Doge, XRP, while ADA, Solana, and Matic, the tokens of smart contracts platforms Cardano, Solana, and Polygon, were struggling to gain momentum. In an interesting piece of news, according to data from Messari, Cardano's transaction activity surged, with average daily transactions rising by approximately 2% quarter-on-quarter, reaching 68,800 from 67,500. US stock futures were trading lower as a decline in bank shares weakened investor sentiment. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped by 191 points or 0.5%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were down 0.5% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $29,280, up 0.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.1%, trading at $1,832. BNB was up by 0.6% to trade at $243. Solana SOL was up 0.8% and was trading at $23.2. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.4% to trade at $0.67. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.61, up by 0.1%. However, Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.3% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, lower 1.4%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.1% at $0.073. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2%. Polkadot was down by 0.3% to trade at $5.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto exchange Blockchain.com has been granted a payments license from Singapore's central bank, the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Blockchain.com announced on August 7 it received its major payment institution license from MAS on August 1, allowing the platform to provide what the regulator calls digital payment token services to institutional and accredited investors. The exchange's full license comes after it received in-principle approval from the bank in September last year. With its license approved, Blockchain.com is the 12th digital payment token service provider in the country, joining other providers including Circle, Independent Reserve, Paxos, Revolut, and DBS Vickers. The Economic Offense Wing of the Odisha Police said Monday that it had busted a crypto Ponzi scam worth over rupees 1,000 crore with the arrests of Gurtej Singh Sidhu, India head of STA crypto token from Rajasthan, and an associate. Sidhu, a native of Faridkot in Punjab, was arrested at Sri Ganganagar in Rajasthan on August 4 and produced before a local court which granted a 7-day transit remand for taking him to Odisha. He was produced before the Odisha Protection of Interest of Depositors Court in Cuttack on Monday. An associate of Sidhu, Nirod Das, was produced before the court on Sunday. Transactions of more than rupees 30 crore were detected in Das's bank account, while the total money involved in the scam is estimated to be more than rupees 1,000 crore, police sources said. While over 2 lakh people, mainly from Punjab, Rajasthan, Bihar, Jharkhand, Haryana, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Assam have invested in the scheme, after getting high returns, the number of investors in Odisha is more than 10,000, said police sources. The police said STA was not authorized by the RBI or any other authorities to collect deposits and that it was illegally running a multi-level marketing scheme in the grab of a crypto token. Elon Musk-backed biotechnology company Neuralink announced the raise of $280 million in Series D funding led by Peter Thiel's Founders Fund in a short tweet on Monday. Co-founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, Fremont, California-based Neuralink develops implantable brain-computer interfaces or BCIs designed to enable direct communication between the brain and external devices like computers. While Neuralink did not say what the funds would be used for, the company has said it aims to help people with paralysis or other neurological conditions regain independence by controlling computers and mobile devices using their brain activity. Until recently, Neuralink tested its technology on smaller animals, including monkeys and pigs, demonstrated in April 2021 by having a monkey play Pong. In May this year, Neuralink received FDA approval to start human clinical trials. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire said that a whopping 70% of USDC adoption comes from outside the United States. Despite the hype that we are all about the US, we estimate that 70% of USDC adoption is non-US, he tweeted, adding that some of the fastest growing arenas or areas are emerging and developing markets. At the same time, the CEO has not shied away from lobbying US lawmakers despite his suggestion that USDC's presence is considerably smaller in the country, urging Congress in July to protect stablecoins and build trust in digital dollars. Allaire's company Circle is the issuer of US dollar coin, the second largest stablecoin by market capitalization, trailing Tether, which boasts a market cap of more than 3 times its size. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list is Lido Finance. According to reports, Lido Finance has witnessed 10,000 more stakers in the month of July, demonstrating its continuous popularity and expansion despite the current market situation. Lido's TVL temporarily surpassed $15 billion for the first time since May 2022, but fell below the benchmark due to Ethereum's recent price struggles. Lido Finance was trading up by 1% at $1.84 with a market capitalization of $1.62 billion. Lido's TVL still remains dominant as the leading DeFi protocol despite a decrease from its amazing $15 billion benchmark. Notably, Lido has maintained a commanding 36% share of the total TVL for all DeFi projects. However, according to data from DeFi Llama, the total value of assets logged on Lido in terms of Ethereum is currently at 8.08 million ETH, which is at an all-time high. Next on the list is Chainlink. Despite the fact that Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market have entered a significant consolidation phase, Chainlink protocol has caught the attention of major market players. However, the Chainlink's price has witnessed a surge of more than 20% since the past month. Chainlink was trading up by 2.3% at $7.4 with a market capitalization of $3.95 billion. In the same time frame, there has been a significant build-up of Link by the whale and shark addresses as they have accumulated more than $192 million worth of Link coins. According to on-chain data provider Sentiment, Chainlink's activity on GitHub has considerably increased over the course of this summer, making it one of the top 5 frequently developed assets. Next on the list is Ethereum. Ethereum, a proof-of-work protocol now being transitioned into a proof-of-stake protocol, has witnessed 50% of its total Ethereum tokens burned since the much-awaited Ethereum merge. According to data from Ultrasound Money, out of the over 6.5 million ETH which have been produced, the network has burned over 3.5 million ETH. Ethereum was trading up by 0.1% at $1,828 with a market capitalization of $219.7 billion. At its present rate, Ethereum burns up 1.75 million ETH yearly, causing the supply to fall by roughly 0.98%. As a result, the platform is becoming slightly deflationary since the circulating supply of ETH is diminishing over time as the network actively burns coins. Moving on, according to data from CoinGecko, Reddit community tokens Moons and Bricks soared 47% and 50% respectively after their listing on Kraken Exchange, one of the largest centralized crypto exchanges by trading volume. Moons was trading at $0.40 while Bricks token was trading at $0.051 respectively. Move is an ERC20 token that is given out in exchange for comments or posts on the R cryptocurrency subreddit. Users can store coins in Reddit's Ethereum-based wallet called Vault, where they can freely trade, tip, or spend those in the community for several purposes. Meanwhile, Bricks also functions in the same way and serves a similar purpose in the R Fortnite subreddit. Next on the list is Litecoin. Litecoin, the second oldest cryptocurrency, has recently witnessed its hash rate at an all-time high of 933.2 after the network recently completed its halving event. The reason for increase in the hash rate can be attributed to growing strength and popularity of the cryptocurrency. In simple terms, a hash rate is a measurement of the total amount of computing power utilized in a blockchain network for mining and processing transactions. Litecoin was trading up by 0.2% at $82.4 with a market capitalization of $6.05 billion. This growth in hash rate indicates that more miners are contributing their computing power to the Litecoin network, which in turn strengthens the network's efficiency and security. This new record hash rate can have a favorable effect on Litecoin's market position. Furthermore, it can increase confidence and trust in the network, potentially driving up the value of Litecoin.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.